To become truly original, you have to try something new, which means accepting some measure of risk. Adam M. Grant, Originals. If we want to create a better world, we cannot continue to avoid taking risks. Being genuinely original requires self-awareness, self-acceptance, and self-mastery. Self-awareness means taking time to reflect on, recognize, and realize our true nature, the 3 R's. Self-acceptance involves finding the courage, confidence, and self-compassion to allow our true nature to guide our lives, the 3 C's. Self-mastery requires fulfilling our promise through consistent long-term preparation and by performing in alignment with our true nature, the 3 P's. One kind word makes a better world by expressing our true nature.